Assalamualaikum. My name Nur Kamila binti Al Samad. Matrix number 211293240. So for questions 3.11, the numerator is 1, denominator 351. So based on the questions given, we need to identify how many poles, zeros and infinite zeros in these three questions given. Okay, so this is 3.1.1, numerator 1, denominator 351, based on the questions given. Okay, so run, and then okay, this is the graph. For the poles, we got 2 poles, which is here and here, and then 0, we got non-zero. For infinite zeros, we got 2, which is from here to here, and second one, the green line. For questions 3.1.2, numerator 5, denominator 1351. Run, and okay. So in here we can see we got for the results we got 3 poles, which is 1, 2, 3, and then non-zeros, and then we got 3 infinite zeros, which is the blue line, red line, and then the green line. Okay, next, for questions 3.1.3, the numerator given 161, the denominator value 1351. Then run, and this is the results. You can see we got 2 poles for blue line and the green line, which is in here. And then we also we got 3 poles, the green line, blue line, and then in here also. So we got 3 poles, and we got 2 zeros, which is in here and here. And then for infinite zeros, we got 1, which is in here. Based on the questions given in 3.1, basically all 3 questions is using the same method. Okay, so for questions 3.2, states here we need to find gains and poles. Okay, questions 3.2.1, k equals to 0, and this is the question, which is numerator 1, denominator value 351. Okay, so run the circuit, and then it states that we need to find k equals to 0. So find this one. Okay, you can see that this is the results. It states that k equals to 0.0018. So basically it's k equals to 0. So this is my results that I get. For next questions, it states that both poles move towards each other and meets for these questions. Then run the circuits. Okay. Click in here, and this is the results for questions 3.2.2. Okay, next questions 3.2.3. It says that poles break away into the complex plane for these questions. So 3.2.3, numerator 3, denominator value 3, 4, 2, 1. Run, and then stitch here. My poles break away into the complex. Poles. Okay. This is the results for questions 3.2.3. Next questions 3.2.4. When poles break away and enter the right plane for this question, which is numerator value is 6, denominator value 1, 2, 8, and 3. Okay. Run the skits, and then you need to click in here. Okay, this is the final results that I get for questions 3.2.4. Okay, and then for these questions, we need to find the poles. Okay. For questions 3.2.1, okay. Yeah, I just did in here for the results that I get. 3.2.1. Okay. So in here, I got 2 poles, none zeros, and 2 infinite zeros, which is the blue line and green line. Okay, for questions 3.2.2, I got 2 poles, none zeros, and 2 infinite zeros, which is same as previous questions. Next, 3.2.3, this is the results, and I got 3 poles, which is line blue, green, and red, and then none zeros, 3 infinite zeros, which is blue line, green line, and red line. And for the final questions, this is the results, and I get 3 poles, which is in blue line, red line, and green line, none zeros, and 3 infinite zeros, which is blue line, red line, and green line.